Hello YouTube, bringing here today a Traxxas XMAXX. This is pretty much a stock Traxxas XMAXX 8S running on its Traxxas electronics, ESC and motor. There were some nice snow out 2 weeks back. Took this truck for my first time playing with it in the snow, and you can see it was a lot of fun. I thought the truck would handle just like it did. It glides through snow pretty well. I think we had about 3 inches, 4 inches of snow, and was no problem for this big boy. It packed the inside with lots of snow, which made the vehicle to weigh a lot more. So I think the stress on the electronics was definitely there. You can kind of already see that the snow was building up inside the body. Did several different runs with it. Just one pack of the 2 batteries fully charged, running 2 4S batteries there, and it was a very nice way to clean up the snow in my driveway. In the end of this video you'll probably be able to see that. Fun fact, after I did this run with this RC, my neighbor actually texted me asking if I knew of anybody running a snowmobile or something like that throughout our yard, because he could see the tracks, and said, well, somebody made a big mess in our yard. Then I sent him a picture of this XMAXX, and he laughed for a while. So yeah, I did messed up the snow. It looked way better before running this truck. It was pretty fun. Going here in the patio, slide, very nice. And you see how much snow there was in the ground. So far, I'm loving this truck. Never had XMAXX before, and definitely keeping it because it's a lot of fun. These vehicles are known to be extremely durable. If you've been in the channel for a while, you know that I don't destroy my RCs, so I'm not gonna be sending this 20 foot in the air. Pretty much sure that it will never break. Just running like normal, it's going to be very hard to break. I do have a set of heavy duty A-arms that I haven't installed, and again, even the stock plastic parts are already very durable. The arms that I have, those are white in color, so I don't know if this would be a nice match to this body scheme. This body is pretty beat up. Right now I can't really see because it's covered with snow, but this is kind of my bashing body. Although, like I mentioned, I don't really bash hard, so this body is probably not going to get destroyed. But I have that other one, the rock and roll body, which looks very, very nice as well. I did ran the XRT tires on this car as well, and the XRT tires are very good. So right here I'm behind my neighbor's backyard. There is this, which normally is all grass, big field here, and had a lot of snow, so that's where it made a huge mess. You can see how deep the snow is as it's pulling up and showing that grass underneath. My home backyard was getting all turned apart with RC tracks everywhere. And just kept on going. I wasn't concerned about, heat issues because it was very cold and I was running through snow and there were a lot of snow on top of the ESC. That was a mistake on my part, although I didn't burn through the ESC. It got extremely hot because I was doing full throttle pretty much all the time, and full throttle all the time on the Traxxas electronics can be bad, including the fact that it had a lot of snow packed on, in between the body and the chassis, so the vehicle was much heavier. To go through snow puts already some strength on the drive shaft, on the drivetrain and the motor. So once I removed the body and everything, I noticed that the ESC was very hot, and I think it was very close from burning out. Doing some long runs right here, again in this backyard behind my neighbors. It looks slow, but it wasn't going slow at all. Yes, if you run in the dirt you can pick up a lot more speed, but just the amount of snow and the low traction that the snow gives, that's what you get. Amazing truck. I don't really understand why people do upgrade the Traxxas electronics to a hub wing. I think Model 6 or something like that. But they do, and I haven't done and I'm not planning on doing it right just yet. Hopefully this ESC can last. And so far it is. It's like I mentioned, it was pretty hard on the ESC because pretty much 15 minutes running non-stop. I would say it was more about 20 minutes running non-stop, full throttle all the time. From side to side. And we had some snow actually falling at the time I was recording this. Excuse the little drops of water or snow in the camera lenses. I'm recording this using a GoPro Hero 9 that I fixed on the remote, so I could kind of track it as I was driving it. Traxxas remote are known to be a little big, so not very convenient to drive one-handed, so I had to mount the camera on top of the remote and drive with two hands, and then kind of follow across as it was going by. Hope that this video, that you liked the video, and please consider subscribing if you have not yet. I bring different vehicles to this channel. This is a hobby. I really enjoy driving the RCs a lot, plus reviewing them and creating these YouTube videos. So ask questions, comments. If you liked or disliked, let me know what I can do better in the next video, okay? So there is still 5 minutes of this truck running. I'll leave without me talking. And yeah, have fun. Thank you.